Hello and welcome to MG Tracy. Every day we're going to be having fun with our coffee machines here at home. Now, one of the challenges we found is how do you cope if you're diabetic? So if you're diabetic and you need special milks, or if you're someone who is particularly on a low carb diet or gluten-free diet, you're probably not going to want to use milk. The standard pods that come with the coffee systems aren't that flexible with that. When you go to Starbucks or Costa, yes, they can do your coconut milk or whatever. So if you want to have almond milk, how is this going to work with your coffee machine? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of a cheat today. So what you start off with is you use the milk that's suitable for you. So you pour in about that amount. Okay, then what you do with that is you microwave that for a minute on 800. So we'll just let that do that. Okay, so there you are. Actually that took 45 seconds. So it's going to depend a little bit on the power of your microwave and which milk you're using. So one of the other advantages here is if you are buying discs for whatever machine, sometimes when you buy a box, half of it's milk and half of it is coffee. So if you buy one like this one, I'll put the links below for this one, this is a hazelnut coffee, then you're getting twice as many drinks because you're sorting out your own milk. So if you like, it's half the price as well, which is fantastic. So I've changed the water in the back. I've got my steamy milk there. I'll turn on the machine here. So on the Dulce Gusta, you push the button, it flashes red while it's warming up, and when it goes green, it's game on. So we'll put our pod in there. So I say I've gone for a hazelnut one. It really is a fantastic flavour. If you've not had a hazelnut coffee, then I think you're missing out. Definitely have a go at that one. So we're just waiting now for the machine to turn to green. That's fantastic. The machine has now turned to green, so we're ready to go. Let's lock that in, and now let's add our hot water. Right, that'll do us. So there now you've got a hazelnut coffee that's been made with almond milk, which is particularly good for a low carb diet if you are diabetic. But I say if you need any other sort of milk, this is the way to do it. Not only do you halve the cost of your coffees at home, but you're able to meet any medical bits and pieces that we need to do while we spend a bit more time at home. So I hope you found that useful. Please like, share and subscribe. Tell the world about me. I'm Paul, cheerio for London, and I'll see you again tomorrow.